Hi kids, welcome to our channel Kids EduWorld TV. In this video, we will learn how to trace letter D. For this, we'll be using standing line and a curved line. So let's start our tracing. Let's take the color red. We'll be drawing a standing line and then a curved line. Yes, this is our D. D for doll. The phonic sound is D. D. Let's practice the letter one more time. Let's take the color pink and we will be drawing a straight line, standing line, and then a long curved line. D. D as in drum. D. D for doll. D for drum. Let us practice the letter once again. Let's take the color blue. Standing line. Then join the curved line. This completes our D. D for dolphin. D. Dolphin, drum, doll. Let us practice the letter D one more time. Let's take the color green. Draw a standing line. Draw a long curved line. Join the line. Yes, D. D for door. D. D. Let us practice the letter once again. Let's take the color yellow. Draw a standing line. Then a long curved line. This completes our letter D. D for duck. So children, hope you have enjoyed practicing the letter D. Please follow our channel for more such videos and we'll meet you again. Bye-bye.